amid the leadership change buzz in Karnataka, the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister head to the national capital. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar has arrived in Delhi today. Siddaramaiah, the Chief Minister, is expected to be in the national capital tomorrow. While the official statements downplay the visit's political significance, speculation is rife within party circles. The Chief Minister stated that he is heading to the capital to meet Defence Minister Rajnath Singh regarding the Dussehra celebrations in Mysuru, seeking central support. While D.K. Shivkumar has claimed his visit to Delhi is aimed at holding meetings with union ministers in the state of Karnataka.
No, we have a meeting with the Forest Minister and Environment, Forest and Environment Minister, Mr. Yadav. Then Mr. Patil, Irrigation Minister, connected to Karnataka irrigation projects. So I think after that, tomorrow I'll be meeting all my legal experts of the Irrigation Department and the Urban Development.
Let's now go across to my colleague Imran, joining us on the phone line for more on this. Imran, good morning. What more details can you share with us as far as these very interesting visits are concerned of both the Chief Minister as well as the Deputy Chief Minister to the national capital? Imran, can you hear me? Okay, I think we've lost that connection. We will try and reconnect with Imran and get you more details. Timing of this visit, viewers, is very, very interesting, and that's what is now raising questions as well. Speculation is rife within party circles, even though, if you see official statements that we've got, they seem to be downplaying this visit's political significance. The Chief Minister has stated he is heading to the national capital because he has to meet the Defence Minister of the country regarding the Dussehra celebrations in Mysuru. He wants central support. On the other hand, D.K. Shivkumar, the Deputy Chief Minister, in fact, viewers, has claimed his Delhi visit is aimed at holding meetings with union ministers over some development-related projects in the state of Karnataka. Let's go back to Imran.